Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to dive into the latest t-shirt bodycon dresses trends. Today we are going to explore some of the hottest bodycon dresses for black t-shirts for summer that are trending right now. For classic looks to blend design, that's are something here for everyone. So let's get started and find your perfect summer dresses. First on our list is the classic and white jeans and black t-shirts dresses. This pieces is a staple in any summer wardrobe, and here's why. The classic white bodycon dress is made from a lightweight and breathable materials that is perfect for those sweating summer days. The bodycon fit is both flattering and comfortable, hanging your curves in all the right place while allowing you to move freely. One of the best beings One of the best things about this dress is its versatility. You can dress it up with a pair of high heels and some statement jewelry for a more formal look. Keep it casual with some stylish sneakers or sandals. It's also a great canvas for experimenting with different accessories. Do you have a favorite way to style a white dress? Share it in the comments below. If you are enjoying this video, do not forget to hit this thumbs up button, and if you are have not already, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with the latest fashion trends. Next up is this fabulous floral print bodycon dresses. Floral prints are a summer essential because they add a splash of color and fun to your outfit. This dress features a vibrant floral design that's perfect for summer. The bodycon fit ensure that the floral pattern look flattering and fresh. The material is stretchy and comfortable, making it ideal for everything for a summer picnic to a casual outing with friends. Floral prints are versatile and can be paired with a variety of accessories. Consider adding a white Burmese hat and some cute to complete the look. What do you think of his floral patterns? Let us know in the comments, and if you are loving this look, hit that like button and remember to share this video with your friends who love summer fashion. The versatile strips on his dress create a slimming effect while the bodycon fit keeps it stylish and comfortable. The strips add a bit of flair, making this dress perfect for a day at the beach or a summer brunch. You can accessorize this look with a pair of sunglasses and a summer tote bag for a complete outfit. What's your take on strips? Do you have a favorite strip outfit? Share your thought in the comments. If you enjoying these outfit ideas, give the videos a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Next on the list is the standing off-shoulder bodycon dresses. The off-shoulder styles add a touch of romance and elegance, perfect for a summer evening. This dress features a flattering off-shoulder neckline that's both stylish and comfortable, so that bodycon fit embodies your curves, while the off-shoulder design gives it a playful and pair this dress with some delicate jewelry and strappy sandal for a chic summer look. What do you think of the off-shoulder style? Let us know in the comments below, and if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's check out this tropical print and black t-shirt bodycon dresses. T-shirt bodycon dresses are perfect for embracing the fun and carefree spirit of summer. This dress this dress features a lively tropical prints and plain t-shirts that sure to make you stand out. The bodycon fit is both flattering and comfortable, making it a great choice for a beach day or a summer party. Accessorize this dress and you can accessorize this look with the pairs of sunglasses and a summer tote bags for a complete outfit. What your take on strips? Do you have a favorite strip outfit? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you are enjoying these outfit ideas, give the videos a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more fashion inspiration. So this dress features and next up, the stylish high-low bodycon dresses. The high-low design add a unique twist to the classic bodycon fit, and the high-low hemline is great for showing of your favorite some sandals while still and a chic and elegant look. The bodycon fit ensures that you look fabulous from every angle. This dress is perfect for a summer evening event or a special occasions. How do you feel about high-low design? Share your thought in the comments below, and if you are enjoying the video, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Let's check out this simple yet elegant sleeves bodycon dresses. Sleeveless design or ideal for staying cool and stylish during the summer. This dress features a sleek sleeveless design that perfect for those hot summer days. The bodycon fit ensures that you look great while staying comfortable. Check out these trendy cutout bodycon dresses. The cutout bodycon dresses are modern and stylish twist to the classic bodycon fit. The cutout provide a bit of edge while keeping the overall look chic and fashionable. This dress is perfect for a summer night out or a special events. How do you feel about cutout design? Let us know in the comments below, and if you are loving this look, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Now let's take a look at this stylish mesh bodycon dresses. Mesh details add a unique touch while keeping the look fresh and trendy. This dress combines a bodycon fit with mesh panels for a modern and fashionable look. It's great for a summer party or a night out where you want to stand out. What do you think of this mesh design? Do drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Finally, let's check out this adorable ruffled bodycon dresses. The rufflers add a playful and feminine touch to the classic bodycon fit. This dress features cute ruffles that provide a charming details while the bodycon fit keeps it stylish. It's perfect for a summer date or a casual outing. And if you are loving this dress, do not forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more fashion tips. That's warp up or summer bodycon dress showcase. I hope you found some inspiration for your summer wardrobe. If you enjoy the videos, please give